Windows 11 is the latest version of the Windows operating system, developed and released by Microsoft. Windows 11 is a free upgrade for Windows 10 users and is available in both 32-bit and 64-bit versions. Mac OS X is the operating system that runs on Apple's Macintosh computers. It is based on the Unix operating system and provides a graphical user interface similar to that of Microsoft Windows Computer Repair Technician. Computer problems? Email us info@vancity-tech.com for on-site Vancouver Computer Service for computer repair, virus removal, workstation, server and network setup.